Solar energy, power from the sun, is a vast, inexhaustible and clean resource. It is the energy of the future, for the future, bringing vital solutions in many important spheres, including in extremely critical areas like agriculture. At Shakti Pumps, we understand that the future of agriculture clearly depends on our ability to utilize solar power. That is why we have successfully harnessed this monumental and unparalleled source of energy by developing world-class solar power irrigation and water supply systems involving stainless steel submersible pumps, motors, and allied equipments. Today, we are widely acknowledged as global leaders in solar-powered irrigation and water supply systems, with products and solutions well accepted in Africa, Asia, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and the Middle East. No wonder we have reached a milestone of over 100,000 pumps installed in more than 120 countries all across the globe. Shakti Pumps has set up some of the most advanced assembly lines anywhere in the world. Here's a look at some of those wonders. The Electronics and Controls Unit is equipped with state-of-the-art machineries to manufacture all electronic equipments. This automated machine is capable of printing a PCB in less than 10 seconds. An astounding 120,000 components can be picked up and placed on PCBs in an hour's duration in this artificial intelligence-enabled machine. After a detailed visual inspection, the PCB goes through an insertion line for larger components. The highly advanced robotic soldering unit for critical components ensures optimum quality and finish. Each individual part of the circuit is tested in this universal tester to ensure flawless working, leading to the final assembled product. The pump manufacturing unit involves a number of processes to deliver quality pumps that last longer. Automatic circle cutting machine setup is highly productive, designed to optimize sheet utilization with the finest finish. A series of embossing and cupping operations prepare individual pump components with great precision. The robotic welding plant ensures quality finish to these components, which is difficult to achieve through normal welding processes. These finished components are put together with care and craftsmanship to assemble the final pumps. Each pump is checked and tested for the quality standards, and the data is stored in a database. A fleet of CNC machines ensures simultaneous multiple operations for different parts of pump and motor, increasing lifespan of Shakti's solar pumping systems. With separate and dedicated CNC wings for both pump and motor components, Shakti is able to offer bespoke solutions. This high-speed, precise stamping machine with double header can take 750 strokes per minute with great accuracy. Each motor goes through the automatic wire winding setup, capable of numerically controlled operations like insulation, paper insertion, coiling, shaping, lacing, etc., all combined into one. A unique eco-friendly friction welding machine is programmed to achieve energy-efficient operations. The plant has dedicated manufacturing units for motors of 4, 6, 8 and 10-inch bore well sizes. This unit is exclusively used for the manufacturing of 4-inch submersible motors. 6, 8 and 10-inch submersible motors, which are used with pumps of corresponding sizes, are produced in a separate unit with the most modern machining facilities. Industrial pumps plant is exclusively used for the manufacturing of vertical multi-stage, open well, pressure boosters, monoblocks, hydro-pneumatic system, and other wide varieties of industrial application range. We are specialized to provide 100% solution to various industries. The CED coating plant is well equipped with a multi-stage setup with a series of pre-treatment facilities to give an unsurpassed finish. Making of mounting structures for solar panels is a process-driven operation involving a number of chemical and manufacturing processes. We have a dedicated plant at Shakti Energy Solution for manufacturing such quality structures. The manufacturing units at Shakti Irrigation, known for its high-quality drip irrigation systems, offers total solutions for agriculture, irrigation and industries with pipes, cables, polyhouses, etc. The dedicated pipe manufacturing unit of HDPE, UPVC, RPVC and casing pipes is equipped with the most modern machines. When put together, all these facilities ensure end-to-end solutions for Shakti's esteemed customers. At Shakti Pumps, we are committed to constant research and development in manufacturing of energy-efficient, environment-friendly stainless steel pumps, motors and allied equipments for solar-powered irrigation and water supply systems. The future of agriculture, water, power and sanitation the world over.